Hello, it's Hannah here and welcome to Oldham Volkswagen. Today I'll be talking about this approved used Volkswagen Arteon finished in the dazzling pearl deep black paintwork. This 2024 model comes with a 2-litre TSI R petrol engine and automatic transmission, ideal for those wanting a sporty city upgrade. Sat on the majestic 19-inch Adelaide black diamond alloy wheels with the vibrant blue calipers, with features such as the electric folding wind mirrors for added protection when parked up, IQ headlights for that great visibility at night time, with parking sensors front and rear with a rear view camera, perfect for those awkward manoeuvres. As we enter the boot space, you can see this is a large area of 590 litres, perfect for those who like to go and travel or go on trips away, or have animals that need to go in the back of the car. With the electric tailgate, it's perfect for those moments when your hands are full. Moving into the rear seats with a full leather trim finish for a more comfortable and relaxing feeling, with a pull-down armrest in the middle, 2 cup holders inside, followed by air vents by the footwell. Moving into the front with a multi-functioning flat-bottom steering wheel with pedal gear shifters, followed with the central touch display. Moving onto the full leather trim finish sports seats with the eye-catching royal blue sewing down the side with the art embroidered into the below headrest for that sporty look. Onto your panoramic sunroof, letting in all the light, perfect for those warmer days. The steering wheel offers various audio controls with the option to navigate around the virtual cockpit screen, including features such as the audio and telephone connections, alongside the heated steering wheel, perfect for them colder months. The cruise control and speed limiter features are also available to assist out on the open roads. Moving on to the central infotainment system, there's a variety of different radio stations to keep you entertained along your journeys, followed by the navigation system, which you can easily access to make driving and following directions a lot easier. Onto App Connect, which allows you to connect your phone to the Bluetooth of the car so you can choose what you want to listen to. Your parking sensors and rear view cameras are very handy to be there when you're in tight, small spaces. Onto your driving profile, which allows you to change the mode of your car depending on where you are and what you need it to be like. You'll find your aircon on screen where you control the car's temperature, and also below, manually here, you can also turn on your heated seats for that warmer, cozier touch. Followed by the central console with storage for your phones or keys, 2 large cup holders and a central console storage armrest. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video tour. For any further information, please contact our friendly sales team or inquire online now.